Hello, my adoring fans. Today you see the view through a tunnel. Now, it's quite an exciting tunnel, because it's like a tunnel under Mount Victoria. But on Mount Victoria, we found lots of Hobbit and Lord of the Rings related film locations. I think these are actually all Lord of the Rings. I think I might be telling them that. But here's a tree where Frodo is reading. Here is a bit where the hobbits are hiding from a ring wraith. You'll see a much... As Maddie is showing, that's where the ring wraith is. Here's probably the best bit of acting you've ever seen. Me being the ring wraith, Maddie being a hobbit hiding. And then here is where some Nazgul start, riding along nice and quick. So that was all exciting. Then we walked up to the top of Mount Victoria, and we saw this Antarctica expedition memorial thing or whatever, and a cannon. Bit of a spoiler for where Maddie and I are now wanting to go after this long holiday. That's going to be our next big thing, I think. It's going to be Antarctica. Oh, I'm very sleepy. Then that was the view at the top. This is a Wellington sign that looks like Hollywood. Why does it look like Hollywood? Well, we are going to places which kind of are a bit Hollywoody-esque. Because we went to Weta Workshop, which is kind of in the, filming Miramar Peninsula part of Wellington. There was Maddie and me interacting in various ways with the troll. And we couldn't film too much of the stuff. These are all things you can buy, by the way, which is very exciting. This is just the gift shop, because you can't really film too much inside the shop because of copyright things. But there's actually quite a lot of stuff you can touch, feel around. There was a whole room full of stuff that tricked my brain. I thought it would be heavy, it was light, or I thought it would be light, stuff like that. And then this woman was a pro making things out of foil, so she was giving us some chat about that. Here's an example of, she ain't lying. It's pretty good. And then there was also some Thunderbirds stuff that seems to be, about some bigatures, they call it, which is like big miniatures. Because that's apparently how they film Thunderbirds, with large-scale, tiny little models. Some examples being this. So that was cool, seeing how that was all made and stuff. Again, you can only really take pictures of some stuff, but we made the best of it. And they had loads of stuff for this, including some Hobbiton one. Not really sure why this existed, but yeah. So that was it, pretty good day. Now, here we go, behind the scenes. So, I know that you saw me and Maddie being flawless actors. There's no difficulty at all to what we do. But actually, turns out, it's not as easy as it looks getting into position and acting in a way that's not totally chaotic. But I thought I'd throw in the whole video for the banter. You get to see my butt, which I know a lot of the fans it appeals to. Well, at least half the fans. And you get to see me kind of desperately try to scamper down before asking Maddie to do it for me, because I'm in flip-flops, it's real hard. But I hope everyone's having a good day. I'm very tired, but we're in a comfy bed, so anyway, adios!